Hey, and welcome to my garden. Today we got a special guest. It's my mom,
Hey Rick, how you doing?
I'm doing good, Mom. All right, so most of you may not know, or maybe you do, who knows. I've never grown or harvested cabbages, so I'm gonna have my mom here today to show me where to do this cutting and what we're gonna do. Where do I cut this, baby?
We're gonna take the biggest leaf and we're gonna go closest to the base as you can.
To the base of the cabbage
To
up?
the base of the cabbage up.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey folks, really quick, I'm not calling my mom old, but these older folks are full of knowledge, man. Use these guys. Forget about the internet every now and then. All right, so I'm cutting right here, Mom?
Yes.
I don't know why I'm scared, man. Not scared.
Hard to cut it.
Oh, I got a serrated knife.
Okay. There you go.
Now, I'll have you take this blade, Ma.
Thank you.
Look at that big, beautiful cabbage. Get in here, Ma. That thing is huge. Oh, I can smell it. Do you smell it?
Yes, I do.
It's just leaking water right out of my hand.
I love it. I love it.
Welcome to God's country, folks. Get outside, do some gardening, spend some time with your family. I got my beautiful soon-to-be wife holding the camera back there. Say hi, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Camera woman doesn't want to talk, but she said hi. Anyway, God bless you all and your family. Spend some time outside and have some fun, man. Enjoy life.
Amen to that.